I'm here in Campwood, Texas. Came down here for a family reunion. Ended up taking home this. This is a 1981 Chevy. Got it for, I think, a pretty good deal. I think it was fair on both sides. It'll take a lot of work to get this thing like I want it. But if you guys know me, some of you guys know me, I've been talking about this. If you know me personally, I've been talking about this forever. Came down here last deer hunting season, last December actually. And my wife's uncle says, I got a deal for you, because I was asking. We were like sitting beside a junkyard getting ice. So who got that square body going down the road? Who got that square body? And says, I'd like to get one and fix it up. And he started laughing. Oh, I got one. So here it is. Here we are. How many months later? It's July. So next year. So yeah, we got this. Got a 6-cylinder in it. Got some old gas. So because it runs. Obviously, we got it up here. Now we did need to get the tractor to pull it up here. Just pull it on, push it on. That's fine. It's got old gas. I need to get rid of the old gas, and a lot of things engine related need to be kind of replaced and fixed before I get it out driving around. But this used to be an old ranch truck down here in South Texas. If you know anything about South Texas, there's a lot of ranches down here, and there's a lot of old trucks just like this. And he wasn't using it. He wanted to sell it, and I had first dibs on it. So here we go. Again, a lot of body work needs to be done. Let me just be transparent on this. I am not a mechanic. I'm not a restorer guy. But this is kind of a project that I'm, kind of taking on. So there's a lot of learning for me to do. University of YouTube, Now, this is my early thoughts, right? Just got it yesterday. Early thoughts. I wonder what you guys think. The interior's got some yellow in it, so I'm gonna kind of keep this yellow. But I was sitting there thinking, instead of white down here, white up there, I'm gonna paint that black. Look like a bumblebee going down the road. My old striper mobile. Yellow and black attack. We'll see. We got a long time to get to that point. I don't know. Just my first initial thoughts on it, at least. Pretty excited about it. I'm going to be a shade tree mechanic kind of thing here, trying to figure this stuff out. And I'm pretty stoked about it. I tell you, barely fits on here. Look at it. Look at that tire. Look at that tire. Yeah. I mean, barely on here. Let's look on the other side. You can really see on the other side. Barely got it up on there. So we loaded it up on there from my wife's uncle down there, and he lives down there. I mean, down this trail. And got some hills to it, steep little hills. And we got it up on here and hooked it up to the truck, my pickup, and which I have a Chevy Trail Boss. I have two of them. I took mine, not my wife's, because I knew I'd have to go down that trail, and if I'm gonna scratch one up, I'll scratch up my, mine and not hers. But anyway, so we start heading out, man, and we had this real steep climb, and it doesn't really, when you look at it on the dash cam, I wish I would have got video of it or GoPro footage. It doesn't look too impressive when you look at it on video, but trust me, it's a steep little climb. And that Trail Boss, that Chevy Trail Boss, was just idling up that thing. I put in 4-wheel drive, low, and it just idled right up, right up the hill. I was so impressed. It lives up to its name, Trail Boss. Now we have about a 9-hour trip getting back home. So luckily, I don't think it's going to be real hot. If you look, I mean, it's rained here overnight. Looks like I just got up, but so it may not be 100 degrees all the way up. So that'd be good for those old tires. And so I don't think we'll have a problem. I just don't use up a lot of gas. We got some hills. If you know this area, we're in the Texas hill country. Yeah, same hill country. Got all that flooding in Kerrville. We're probably about, way the crow flies, about 50 miles from Kerrville. And we're, so even though it's a Trail Boss, we're going to see what it's going to be pulling some hills. But we'll see how good it is. I'm pretty excited about it. Good thing about this is that I'm going to vlog all this. I'm going to vlog it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. And so I'm putting it on this channel. This YouTube channel, because this channel's monetized. So I have 2 monetized channels, Bonehead Truckers and this one. And so I'm going to basically take the revenue I get off of this channel to put into this. So that's what I'm going to do. So this channel doesn't make too much money. I think the most I ever made off this channel, maybe $1,000. That was last year, I think. Right now, I don't even think it breaks $100, to be totally honest. But I hadn't really looked at this channel that much. As you can tell, I hadn't used this channel. But anyway, we're definitely going to vlog it and show you guys what I'm doing here. And probably utilize TikTok as well. I got a separate TikTok. Already posted one where I showed the video going up the trail. Anyway, well, if you're interested in watching the progression of this and fixing this thing up, and I'll show you the inside of it in the next video, show you the engine and everything in the next video when we get it home. And so if you're interested in the progress of this thing, and maybe if you guys have any ideas about what you like to see with this, subscribe to the channel, man, and watch it, or watch my disaster. Whichever way. It's not going to happen overnight, okay? Trust me. Because there's a big learning curve with me. It's not going to happen overnight. So this is going to be little by little, but I'll be talking about every little thing, or showing every little thing that I do, more than likely. And so I appreciate if you subscribe if you're interested in this. I'm looking forward to it. It gives me something to do. Different, a different kind of hobby. I call it my midlife crisis, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's gonna be fun, be interesting. I am going to take this to some car shows and stuff. I went to one on July 4th and kind of get a layout, and they had some old trucks that they weren't pretty. Right, they looked like work trucks that were being worked on. They were, in the process of becoming, in that transition from being old to, well, old and pretty. So yeah, I'll be able to do those things. Anyway, well, I'm out of here, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Again, subscribe to the channel, and we'll throw more content on here we got a cruise coming up in September, so we'll vlog that too. Put that there here on this channel. So, anyways, from Campwood, Texas, down here in the, we call it South Texas, but it's in the hill country. We'll holler at y'all more later.